Greetings to all the dear viewers of the Live Well Everyday channel. Some people believe that skin after the age of 40 is something that can no longer be preserved. Wrinkles will eventually appear, and pigmentation or dullness will become more visible over time. But others believe that with the right care, skin can still remain bright and smooth, even in middle age. So what is the truth? Is there really a natural, safe, and affordable skincare method that delivers surprising results? And could those secrets be hiding right in our own kitchens? These questions will be thoroughly explored in today's video. From a scientific perspective, Live Well Everyday invites everyone to discover a new path to preserving beauty and confidence, especially for skin over the age of 40 or 50. Don't skip a single minute, because every detail could hold the key to transforming your skin. If you find this content helpful, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below so we can continue sharing more tips for healthy, beautiful living every day. Dear viewers, before we dive into the 3 skincare formulas today, I'd like to take a few minutes to share more clearly about Kudzu root starch, a familiar ingredient that, when understood and used correctly, can bring truly valuable benefits to the skin. Many people still think of Kudzu root starch simply as a cooling summer drink. But from a scientific standpoint, it is actually a highly beneficial skincare ingredient, especially for aging or mature skin. In traditional medicine, Kudzu, also known as pueraria, is considered a remedy that detoxifies, clears internal heat, and cools the blood. But modern research has shown even more. Kudzu starch is rich in skin-friendly bioactive compounds such as isoflavones, flavonoids, and natural vitamins. The most notable is isoflavone, a plant-based form of estrogen. This compound has a structure similar to the female hormone estrogen, which plays a crucial role in maintaining the skin's elasticity, moisture, and youthful appearance. During perimenopause or menopause, women often experience a drop in natural estrogen, leading to dry, wrinkled, and lifeless skin. At this time, isoflavones from Kudzu can help naturally and safely supplement this deficiency. Moreover, the flavonoids in Kudzu starch provide powerful antioxidant effects, protecting skin cells from free radicals, the main cause of dullness, sagging, and premature aging. The B vitamins and natural vitamin C in Kudzu starch also help nourish the skin from within, supporting brightness, even tone, and better recovery from damage. And most importantly, Kudzu starch is very gentle. Even sensitive or acne-prone skin can use it safely when applied correctly. I believe that once we understand the scientific foundation behind this humble ingredient, we can feel more confident and empowered to care for our skin at home. And now, let's continue with 3 carefully selected skincare formulas using Kudzu starch. Easy to follow and especially suitable for skin that needs to be nurtured and restored from within. Dear friends, if your skin feels tired, a little dry, or dull after a long day of sun, wind, and pollution, this gentle mask formula offers noticeable results. It helps relax, soothe, and naturally hydrate your skin. First, prepare 1 tablespoon of alcohol-free rose water. This type of rose water softens the skin, restores its natural pH after cleansing, and is especially non-irritating, perfect for dry, sensitive, or unbalanced skin. Next, take 2 tablespoons of Kudzu starch and place them into a clean small bowl. When you combine these 2 ingredients, you get a mask that soothes the skin, boosts hydration, and helps restore skin fatigue from sun exposure or a stressful day. It's a simple recipe, but it gives a refreshing, comforting feeling from the first use. To make the mask, put 2 tablespoons of Kudzu starch into a clean bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of rose water. Stir gently until the mixture is smooth and lump-free. After washing your face with warm water to open the pores, apply the mask evenly across your face, avoiding the areas around the eyes and lips. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow the nutrients to absorb. Then rinse off with cool water to help tighten the skin and refresh the feeling. For this formula, I recommend using it 2 to 3 times a week, especially in the evening after your skin has been exposed to sunlight or pollution. However, please note, if your skin has open wounds, scratches, or inflamed acne, it's best to wait until it heals before using. Also, after rinsing your face, you should apply a thin layer of moisturizer or light facial oil to lock in moisture and support deeper recovery during sleep. Just a few times a week, and your skin will gradually become smoother, softer, and naturally brighter over time. And the best part is, you can care for your skin safely and naturally, no expensive products or spa visits required. With just a little time and patience, your skin will respond with visible health and radiance. Checkmark method 2. Kudzu starch combined with oatmeal and fresh milk. Dear friends, for those entering middle age, the skin not only becomes drier but also starts to show mild dark spots, uneven tone, and a rougher texture due to accumulated dead skin cells. At this stage, skincare should go beyond just soothing or hydrating. It needs a gentle exfoliation step to help unclog pores and allow better nutrient absorption. I'd like to introduce a formula perfect for this purpose: simple, safe, yet highly effective. A blend of kudzu starch, oatmeal, and unsweetened fresh milk. Start by preparing 1 teaspoon of pure kudzu starch. As mentioned earlier, it's rich in compounds beneficial for skin, especially isoflavones, which are structurally similar to estrogen and help maintain elasticity while gradually brightening the skin. Kudzu starch also helps soothe fatigued or slightly irritated skin, making it a great choice for sensitive skin after the age of 40. Next is 1 tablespoon of finely ground oatmeal. Oatmeal is well known for gently cleansing the skin, thanks to its soft texture and its ability to absorb excess oil and dirt without damaging the skin's surface. Additionally, oatmeal contains natural anti-inflammatory compounds that help soothe areas of redness or sensitivity. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened fresh milk, an ingredient that helps hydrate the skin, soften the epidermis, and gently brighten thanks to the natural lactic acid present in milk. When these 3 ingredients are combined, you'll get a mixture that's gentle enough to exfoliate dead skin cells, nourishing enough to soften the skin, and mild enough to be suitable for mature or slightly sensitive skin. The method is simple. Put 1 tablespoon of kudzu starch, 1 tablespoon of oatmeal, and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened fresh milk into a clean bowl. Stir well until the mixture is smooth, not too thick, not too runny. After gently washing your face with warm water and patting dry, apply the mixture evenly across your entire face, avoiding the eyes and lips. Leave the mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Before rinsing off with warm water, you can gently massage your face using your fingertips in small circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. At this stage, the oatmeal and kudzu starch will help remove dead skin cells very gently, without scratching or drying the skin. After rinsing thoroughly, splash your face with cool water to tighten the pores. Then apply a thin layer of moisturizer or facial oil to lock in hydration. With this formula, it's best to apply it consistently twice a week. Avoid overuse to prevent thinning of the skin surface. And if your skin is inflamed, scratched, or too weak, it's best to pause this method and switch to a gentler routine for nurturing first, then return to this cleansing step later. After 3 to 4 weeks of consistent use, you'll notice your skin becoming gradually brighter, smoother, and more even in tone, especially with reduced roughness, which is common in mature skin. And the best part is, it all comes from safe, easily accessible ingredients that suit Vietnamese skin types. Third formula: kudzu starch combined with egg white and lemon juice. Dear friends, if your skin is showing signs of dullness, increasing brown spots, or mild sagging, the mask formula below is definitely worth a try. First, prepare 1 egg white, the clear part separated from the yolk. Egg whites are rich in protein and natural collagen, which help tighten the skin's surface, reduce pore size, decrease sagging, and improve skin elasticity, especially around the cheeks and jawline. Next, add 3 to 5 drops of fresh lemon juice. Lemons contain citric acid and a high amount of vitamin C, which help brighten the skin. Fade dark spots, and gently exfoliate the surface, particularly for those with dull skin or small sun-induced pigment spots. Lemon is a very natural solution to improve skin tone. When egg white and lemon juice are combined with 2 tablespoons of pure Kudzu starch, you'll have a powerful yet safe skincare mask. In this blend, Kudzu starch soothes the skin, reduces heat, and helps the active ingredients in the egg and lemon absorb better without causing irritation. This 3-ingredient combination gently lifts the skin, evens out tone, fades pigmentation and freckles, and soothes tired areas after sun exposure. This mixture is best used in the evening, 1 to 2 times per week. With consistent use for 3 to 4 weeks, your skin will gradually become smoother, healthier, and naturally brighter, without needing expensive products. Dear viewers, Ms. Hua, 68 years old, used to feel self-conscious about her dull skin, brown spots, and many wrinkles every time she looked in the mirror. She sighed, "I'm old now. Having bad skin is just part of it." But since discovering Kudzu starch, she began trying homemade masks, mixing it with rose water, and sometimes adding egg white or lemon. By consistently applying it 3 times a week, just over a month later, her skin became calmer, less dull, and noticeably smoother and brighter. She no longer felt embarrassed going outside, and even received compliments from friends about how youthful she looked. She smiled and said, "Turns out, if you just take a little time to care, your skin really will thank you." Dear friends, to let Kudzu starch truly reveal its beauty benefits, especially for mature skin, there are several important things to remember. First, always cleanse your face thoroughly before applying a mask. If there's still dirt or oil on the skin, the nutrients from Kudzu starch won't absorb well and might even clog pores. Second, don't forget to patch test on a small area of skin, like your wrist or behind your ear, before applying it to your whole face. This simple step helps protect sensitive skin. Third, always moisturize after using a mask, especially for dry or aging skin. This step helps lock in moisture and keeps your skin soft and elastic. Fourth, choose only pure, unadulterated Kudzu starch, without additives or artificial scents. Real Kudzu starch is off-white, with a naturally fresh aroma, and dissolves evenly in liquid. Fifth, don't let the mask dry completely on your face. If it becomes too dry, it may draw moisture out of your skin, leaving it dry and irritated. Sixth, always rinse the mask off with cool water and make sure no residue is left on the skin, as leftover powder can clog pores or cause mild irritation. Seventh, in addition to facial masks, make sure to eat a balanced diet and rest regularly. Beauty isn't only about external care, it also requires internal nourishment. Eighth, after using a mask, protect your skin from sun exposure. At this time, your skin is more sensitive and prone to darkening if exposed to direct sunlight. And finally, the most important factor, consistency. No beauty method works in just one try. Apply the mask 2 to 3 times per week, continuously for 3 to 4 weeks, and you'll see your skin gradually transform, smoother, brighter, and more even each day. Dear friends, if you want beautiful, healthy skin in the long term, then in addition to external care, you also need inner nourishment. Be sure to regularly include liver-cooling, antioxidant-rich foods like leafy greens, fresh fruits, red beans, black sesame, or unsweetened soy milk. Drink enough water daily, get enough sleep, and maintain a positive mood. These are the foundations for naturally glowing skin. At the same time, limit foods that cause internal heat or toxin buildup, such as fried foods, refined sugar, processed snacks, sugary drinks, or frequent late-night meals. Over time, these habits can overwork the liver and make the skin dull, acne-prone, and age prematurely. Skincare is truly a journey of self-love. When we care in the right way and stay consistent each day, our skin will gradually recover and glow in the most natural way. We hope today's video gives you a gentle, effective, and affordable option in your skincare journey, especially for those who have entered midlife. A little kudzu starch each day, whether used as a mask or a drink, can truly brighten and strengthen your skin. Especially when used properly, patiently, and combined with good rest. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, click like, and share it with your loved ones. That's our biggest motivation to keep creating more quality content. Pushpin, don't forget to tune in for the next video. Wishing you good health, happiness, and timeless beauty. See you in the next one. Herb Yellow Heart.